Of Salisbury, its spokesperson and the police department are being sued by the American Civil Liberties Union and a media outlet over a gag order and lack of transparency in a 2014 police brutality case. Now, that case in question is Adams versus Aida, where 4 Salisbury University students sued Officer Justin Aida and SPD for police brutality, excessive force, and illegal seizure, detention, and arrest. The city reached a settlement with the plaintiffs in this federal lawsuit, but the complaint filed by the ACLU recently and a Baltimore news outlet claims that a confidentiality agreement prevented the Salisbury University students from talking about this settlement, and repeated attempts to secure the details from the city throughout using the Maryland Public Information Act were apparently denied. And they name Salisbury spokesperson Chris Damone in that lawsuit, claiming that they filed the first public information request with him, and then a second public information request went to Mayor Jake Day and Police Chief Barbara Duncan. Now, the ACLU contends that the failure to present this documentation for the details of the settlement is an unconstitutional violation of free speech and illegal under Maryland's transparency law. The lawsuit states that this is of public concern because taxpayer money paid the settlement, and any measures put in place to prevent further unlawful conduct of the police department should be made known to the press and public. Salisbury Mayor Jake Day responded to this lawsuit saying, "We have been expecting this for some time, since even before I was mayor. This is a frivolous lawsuit that calls into question Maryland state law. It is an old claim from 2013-2014 case. We are in complete agreement with the principles of transparency espoused by the ACLU, but their claim is misguided. The taxpayers of Salisbury can rest assured that we will defend them against the costs of this and any frivolous lawsuit," end quote. Well, the suit asks the court to order the defendants to fulfill the Public Information Act requests submitted back in 2016, as well as to pay damages, attorney's fees, and other monetary relief that the court might deem appropriate.